there are guards here who've told me that I'm not allowed to go anywhere else. Let me get this straight here. There we go. It's day 2 in Krabi. I had a much later start than I had planned, and also a much later start than yesterday. I have a lot of footage backed up over the last couple of days that I haven't managed to finish editing. I've had a few other projects to get on with, so I've been finishing those off, clearing some space on the hard drive, and now I'm going to be able to get on with those 2 projects. But that means that today might be a little bit shorter because I won't be filming as much. So I want to get a lot of the backlog cleared tonight, and if I do a massive day of filming, I won't be able to get through. I'll just get worse and worse. So today I'm going to try and head over to some of the beaches. I've been told all the beaches are closed. I'm still going to try it anyway. I mean, what else have I got to do? Sit in the room all day? Nah, got to get out. Got to try something. Got to try and get out there, I suppose. We'll see what happens. So I'm not the only one here. There do seem to be a few tourists. They were all down here at the beach. This is the only beach that's open, Ao Nang Beach, which is really close to the hostel that I'm staying, maybe half a mile. But at the moment, I've been told all the rest of the beaches around the area, the touristy ones, are shut. That's what's forced everybody here onto this small slither of sand that is not very picturesque. Although some of those islands in the background make it look nice. I've decided to have lunch in the shade of a big tree, overlooking the beach and the island. So it's time to have some rest. Food that I had last night, you can check it out on the what I ate today from yesterday. And this is a what I ate today from today. So what I ate today: soy milk, apple, we got some melon in there. So with the apple, that's 2 bits of fruit. And I got my spring rolls. So I just talked to the boatmen there, and they said that they are closed for at least 1 month. They're not allowed to take anybody anywhere. So if there was anybody watching this who was thinking of coming to the area, just know that you won't be going anywhere other than Krabi and I. You'll be stuck on the mainland. You won't be able to go to any of the islands for at least, what's the date today? Let's say the end of April, roughly. So I've explored the beaches and I've explored the town of our name. Now it's time to go somewhere different. And I was walking to Krabi because I wanted to go to somewhere called the Shell Cemetery. And on the way, I spotted this. They've done a really good job with these figures. They look so lifelike. At the top, with the main attraction, the Buddha. It's huge, and the view isn't bad either. So I was just at that shrine up there, and there were some old ladies who saw I was sweating because it's about 38 degrees here at the moment. Saw I was sweating from this long walk and gave me a free cold bottle of water. I tried to pay them, but they said it was free, so I just put some money in the donation box at the shrine. And now I'm enjoying cold water. Really, that's the sort of thing that makes the world go round. People who don't have anything to give, but they still give it anyway. They had a bottle of water each and they decided to donate one to me and share their one. And you know, you try and say, oh, I'll pay for you, or no, it's okay, I don't want it, but they give it anyway. Little things like that remind you that the world is good. The people in it are good. And there's a minority of people out there whose hearts are filled with hate or distrust. People who want to blame the rest of the world for whole world problems. And people who don't want to take in other people on the street or be Samaritans or anything like that. There are some really good people in the world, and all it is a bottle of water, but it's a bottle of water they didn't have to give away, and they still gave it away. Alright, I was so happy to finally get here, and I found out that when I got here that this place was closed, so no Fossil Beach for me. Only took me an hour and 45 minutes to get here, so there's going to be a nice walk to back. I'm just sitting in the shade at the moment, trying to get my breath back before I make the journey back to Ao Nang. I've got one more day here, and I don't know what I'm going to do with it if everything's shut. It looks like I'm just going to have to try and find some other stuff to do. But it's quite hard to find stuff to do in a resort where all of the main reasons for coming here are closed off to the public. Goodbye, Fossil Beach.